How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper Wallet. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to your Tonkeeper Wallet in just a few simple steps. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow along closely to avoid any mistakes. So if you're ready, let's get started. To start, you'll first need to launch your Bybit app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and log into your account now. If you don't have any USDT in your account, you can either purchase it within the Bybit app or deposit it directly into your account. Once you have USDT in your Bybit account, tap on the Assets tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. By default, you'll land on the Overview page. Now, you should see an option to withdraw. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, use the search bar at the top to search for USDT. Once you find it, select it. After doing this, you'll be taken to the withdrawal page for USDT. Here, you'll need to provide the deposit address for your Tonkeeper wallet. Now let's get your withdrawal address. Switch over to your Tonkeeper wallet and tap on the Receive button at the top. Here, you will see your deposit address. Simply copy this address. Head back to Bybit and paste the address you just copied into the appropriate section. Make sure that the withdrawal network is selected as Toncoin, as it is free. In the next step, you'll be asked for the address tag or memo. Please note that entering this incorrectly may result in a loss of your assets. To find your address tag, return to your Tonkeeper wallet. It should be visible on the same page where you found the deposit address. Copy it and paste it into the designated field in Bybit. Now you will notice that it is not there because Tonkeeper has no tag or memo. So, for address tag, just type none. Now, in the withdrawal amount section, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Once you've done that, tap on the Withdraw button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, simply confirm and initiate your transaction. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your USDT from Bybit to Tonkeeper. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.